All right, guys, we are going to talk about the 8 key components to success in the online world. It's something that people are looking for, especially now. And in 2024, it's really important that you know what you're doing because the competition is outrageous and everybody is looking for that next big thing. So if you know what the keys to success are, it might just help you a little bit. So let's jump in. The first one is having a clear value proposition. It's important to research your niche, research your industry, and see what gap in that market you can build upon and stand out. Making sure that you know who your target audience is, making sure that you understand their needs and their pain points and their problems and their interests and their desires, and building off of that by finding that gap and creating something big, being bold, being, having a strong headline and creating a clear value proposition and clearly communicating with your target audience what you can offer them when it comes to that proposition, when it comes to that valuable thing. You want to be able to solve their problems. You want to be able to fulfill their desires and their needs. And the only way you can do this is by understanding your target audience, researching it, and then you can create this value proposition because, as I said, there's competition. People, there's courses, there's products and services that there's multiple in each industry, in each niche. So you have to kind of stand out. So if you're able to research, if you're able to find that gap that not only, makes you stand out, but also speaks to that target audience, you will be able to be set apart from the rest of, the group in that niche or in that industry. Next is quality product and quality services. It is really critical that you are providing value, that you're providing information that can help your target audience. Now, I don't care if it's free. I don't care if it's $1. I don't care if it's $700. You've got to provide value as if this is the best thing in the entire world, and you want them to buy it even if it is free. You want to provide something that they can work with, something that can, at the end of whatever it is, a template, a workshop, a training, a checklist, whatever it might be, that they can work with it or implement in their own, daily life, personal, professional life today, and that they get value out of it. Because if you can't do that, then you shouldn't be selling it. You shouldn't be giving it away. Consistently strive for excellence in everything that you do. Now, I'm not saying perfection. I'm saying strive to make sure that it is the best thing that you can provide to them. It's the best thing that you can create. It's the best quality. It's the best value, whether free or not, making sure that you're providing exceptional value and information so that they can use what you are giving. And it's going to create it's going to create a relationship. It's going to bring this like, know, and trust that you're really searching for in your business. You want to meet or exceed your customers' expectations every single time if possible. Next, targeted market strategy. It is really critical that you have a marketing strategy that is directed to your target audience. It is important that you are taking a deep dive into what they do, where they hang out, what are their needs, what are their interests, what is their desires, so that you can create a marketing strategy that speaks directly to them. This is the only way that you will be able to reach and engage them efficiently because of the competition, because of their attention span these days, because they are searching for something specific. So you need to know what that is so that you can create something around that. You want to utilize various online marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, but you also want to use search engine optimization to attract, more customers, to attract a wider audience. That has to be part of your marketing strategy, no matter what. And if you can create a great marketing strategy, you can convert leads into customers. So making sure that you're speaking to that target audience, making sure that you have an ideal customer or an avatar is critical to your success. Strong brand identity would be the next one. You want to try to create a brand. You want to stand out and you want to be known for something. So think about what you want to be known for. Who do you want to be known for? What do you want to stand out when people talk about you? Build a strong brand that reflects your values, your personality, your unique selling proposition. Making sure that your brand stays consistent across all channels or whatever you touch so that you can build trust, so that you can create a relationship and credibility to your audience. So again, asking yourself, who do I want to be known for? And answer those questions and build upon it. Have an effective sales funnel. It is critical to have some kind of process, some kind of sales funnel that your client, your customer can journey through. That means from awareness to purchase. That means you have steps, that you're being seen, that you're giving away something, that you're getting an email address, that you're showing this, that they go to a landing page, that they eventually go to a sales page. Making sure that you have a sales funnel that works, and try more than one. You might want to try a couple so that you can see which one works best. Creating a sales funnel is essential, but it can be sometimes difficult, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And believe me, because I have experienced that for a long time. I experienced that. Making sure that you understand a sales funnel and making sure that you put it together. You look at the data, look at the numbers, see which ones work, see which ones don't, and focus on the ones that work and create new ones for the ones that don't. Now, when I say creating, not all sales funnels work for every single thing. It's not always the same. So depending on your service, depending on your product, making sure one that works for your service, for your product is critical so that the audience, the customer can journey through it and get to that end result, that end goal, which is the purchase. Next, this is a good one. You want to provide, you want to build a relationship, you want to nurture that relationship, and you want to provide great customer service. Whether you're, a one-man show or a ton of people in your industry or not industry, in your company, you want to make sure that you're always putting that customer first. You're putting their needs first, you're putting their desires, and you're putting their wants. You're bringing a solution to them, but you're also making sure that you're nurturing that relationship and improving your services or your products. You want to stay engaged with them, you want to communicate with them, and you want to keep them up to date. So all of these things help build that relationship and keep them loyal as a subscriber and as a customer, a buying customer. And this is really important to your business. Data-driven decision making is really important because you have to look at the numbers. As I mentioned before, you gotta track and stay on top of performance. But you also want to make informed decisions based off of those analytics, based off of that data, so that you can create successful strategies for your business. That includes analyzing customer behavior so that you can adjust your approach based off the insights from your data. This is a huge one for me. Always continue educating yourself. It is important that you learn, do, and teach. It's important to continuously grow. Your brain needs to grow so that you can build upon it, okay? Learning something new, reading a new book, taking a new course, whatever it is, continue learning. It does not have to be in your same niche, but it's great that it is, if it is. But just continuously learning and educating yourself in whatever you can is going to benefit you. That means understanding, the trends that change or the technologies that change, customer behaviors that change. Because so much changes, you have to continuously learn and update yourself so that you can update your material and products so that it can benefit your customer. You want to continuously learn and adapt so that you can stay ahead of the curve, so that you can, grow with the ever evolving online business and you can stay in the competition. So by focusing, on these 8 key components, you can position your online business for success in the marketing or digital world And it's really crucial. Again, it's really crucial because this year has been the most competitive year. And so if you continue learning, you can stay with the competition, you can be above the competition, you can build, you can grow, you can profit. All right, so if you don't know who I am, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value, please hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.